Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this funky elephant party blower. You will need paper, scissors, glue, a straw, googly eyes, and some tape. Take your paper and cut out 2 identical triangles. You can use a pencil and a ruler to help you measure. Stack the 2 triangles together and make a small fold in one corner. Take your straw and attach it to this fold using some tape. Cut out a long strip of paper and glue it onto the flap. This will be our trunk. Then carefully glue the second big triangle on top of the first one. Fold the corners down to give your elephant some ears. Roll up the trunk tightly using a pencil. And finally, decorate your elephant however you want. We're using googly eyes. And just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own elephant party blower. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.